Hey, I'm Jordan, and I want to talk to you about algorithms and how we use them in computer science.
Computers are dumb.
They take any instructions they're given very literally and can't make inferences like a human can. We use algorithms to plan out our thoughts and better communicate them to a computer once we do write them as code.
Algorithms are not code.
They're sets of instructions for how to accomplish a task. They need to be specific so that when we do translate them into code, the computer doesn't misunderstand us and give us the wrong output. A good programmer will write out her algorithm in words or pseudocode and step through the whole process herself before writing it as code. The cleaner your algorithm is before you translate it into code, the less debugging you'll have to do later. And it makes everyone's life easier when you don't have to do as much debugging.
Let's write an algorithm for watching last year's winning video. You might think it's just go to YouTube, paste the name of last year's winning video, and then click on the title.
Hey guys, my name is Sona, and
But it's not that simple for a computer. Let's do it a bit more precisely. First, type youtube.com into the address bar at the top of the browser and hit enter. Then paste the title of the video in the search bar at the top of the web page. Then click the search button. Then examine each video to see if the publisher was Sona D. It's the third one down. Then click on the title,
hey guys, my name is Sona,
and now you're watching the video.
You might think learning a programming language is the most important part of learning to code, but it's not. Writing algorithms is. Writing code is pretty much writing algorithms, just within the specific syntax of that coding language. Getting the thought process right for learning code is just as important, if not more important, than knowing the syntax yourself. You can Google a programming language's syntax if you really don't know it, but you can't just look up how to think like a computer. If you want to write the best and most efficient code, you need to be able to write great algorithms. Now, with your new understanding of algorithms, go out into the world and test it out. Pretty much everything we do can be described using algorithms, and the better you are at recognizing algorithms, the better you'll be at writing them. Like when you're sitting at a stoplight, think about what kind of algorithm it takes for the stoplight to recognize that your car is sitting there waiting to make a turn. It needs to receive a signal from the wires in the ground that it sends up to the light, and the light needs to recognize, oh, if I get a signal from this wire, it means use this light. If I don't get a signal from this wire, it means use this different light. Pretty soon, you'll be making incredible things from behind your screen. Thanks for listening.